In this video, we are going to make this card. I'm using the Botanical Layers stamp set. The sentiments are, you mean the world to me, thank you for everything, and thinking of you. I'm cutting my cardstock 5.5 tall, and then I'm scoring it at 4.25. And this will be my card base. The color is Calypso Coral. This is the Splendid Day paper, and I'm cutting it at 5.25 tall and 4 inches wide. Next, let's stamp the foliage. I'm using Calypso Coral ink. And this one, I'm going to do two-step stamping, which means I'm going to stamp on the scratch paper and then stamp on the card so that you get a lighter tone of the Calypso Coral. Next, I'm going to fussy cut the foliage. This set does not come with dies. The bundle that this comes with is a vellum paper. I'm cutting out the sentiment 5/8 tall and 3 inches wide. I'm using the banner punch here. You just stick it in and then you just punch it out. Now to glue on the vellum, you need to be strategic because the glue will show through the vellum. So what I'm doing here is I'm gluing on the leaves and then I'm gluing behind the leaves so you can't see the glue. This is an 11-inch piece of ribbon, and this is my favorite way of making a bow. It's really easy. You make 2 bunny ears and then you just put one loop in through the other, and then you just adjust it and tweak it, flip it around until you like the way it looks. I love to attach my ribbon with glue dots. Trim off the excess. Add dimensionals to the sentiment, and you're done with the front. I like to decorate the inside. I like to stamp off the edge and then add a sentiment. Great. So there's your finished card. I made a couple of variations here. I made this one in green, and I made this one in crushed curry. And that one, the paper that I used is from the Happy Forest suite, the Happy Forest Friends in the annual catalog. And the designer series paper is really cute in this one, so I'm using the yellow one. And this one, I'm using the vegetable paper, and that comes from the Sale-a-Bration catalog. You have Sale-a-Bration until the end of February, and for every $50 you spend, you can choose a free gift. And this one is the Day at the Farm paper. This sentiment is from another set. It's from the Dragonfly Garden, and it says, "May good things grow all year long." And it's cut by this punch. It's called the Lasting Labels punch, and you can find this in the annual catalog as well. And it's part of a bundle, and this is called the Lasting Labels punch. So there's different variations of this same card using the Botanical Layer stamp set. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you.